Hello everyone, and welcome back to our MySQL tutorial series. In today's video, I'll show you how to install and set up MySQL on your Windows system, step by step, along with a practical demonstration. So, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official MySQL website. The link is https://dev.mysql.com/downloads/installer. Once you reach the page, click on the very first download button. On the next page, you'll see two options. Click on the link that says, "No thanks, just start my download." This will immediately begin downloading the MySQL installer file. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder. Find the MySQL installer file and double-click it to run.
Now, the installer will ask you to choose a setup type. For most users, I recommend selecting Developer Default. Once done, click Next to continue. Sometimes you might get a prompt for additional software like Visual C++ or other components. The installer will either install them automatically or guide you to fix it. Just follow the instructions and click Next. Next, you'll see a list of MySQL components that need to be downloaded. Click on Execute to start downloading them. Wait until you see all green tick marks, which means everything's ready to go. Once all components are downloaded, click Next, and then hit Execute again to start the installation. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. Now, you'll be guided through a few configuration pages. Go to Product Configuration, then to Type and Networking, and finally to the Authentication Method section. Keep clicking Next to move forward. In this step, you need to set a strong password for the MySQL root user. Make sure it's something secure but easy to remember for you. Next, enter the root password you just created and click Check. If you see Connection Succeeded, you're all set. And that's it. Click Finish to complete the installation process. Congratulations! MySQL is now successfully installed on your Windows system. Finally, let's quickly verify if everything is working fine. Go to your Start menu, open either MySQL Command Line Client or MySQL Workbench. Now log in using your root user credentials. If you see the prompt, it means your MySQL installation is working perfectly. That's it for this video. In the next part of this series, we'll learn about some essential MySQL commands, like how to create databases and tables. So stay tuned, hit the like button if you found this helpful,